Welcome to my channel. I've got a few days off and the last thing I want to think about is my hair. You know how it is, ladies, you just want to forget your hair for a few days. I have decided that I'm going to crochet my hair with a quick style. I washed my hair. I haven't even worried about doing a mega base for this, so I literally just twisted up my hair as you would probably after you've washed it, and then I've just tied it back because this is just for a few days, and I'm hoping that this is going to be a quick and easy style that you can apply at any time. I selected the V8-910 one pack enough Zury rod set. I'm also quite curious to find out if one pack is really enough. The color I have is the Som 3033. There are basically 1, 2, 3 bundles of hair, and we have 3 lengths of hair, an 8-inch, a 9-inch and a 10-inch, and it's supposed to create that classic sort of V shape, which is why it's called V8-910. I'm going to install the shortest at the back and the longest at the top because I want them to drop more or less evenly, and we're just going to see how it goes. I like the texture of the hair. It's not too soft, it's not too coarse, it just feels normal. I know that sounds weird, but it's just right. Just right. Seems like it's going to be good. Let's start. So one thing I recommend is to try and keep the gold band on the hair because it's not got a loop in itself. So it's obviously made to be separated, but I don't want to separate it. I want to just put the curls in big and chunky like this, if I can. If not, I don't mind separating it out, but I don't want to have a really huge style at the end. So I'm going to really try and put them in like this. In order to be able to create some shape without too much cutting, I actually held back a couple of the shorter strands to put them here to create a slightly shorter layer. I really like the lighter colour at the end, so to keep the sombre effect, when I'm actually inserting the crochet, I'm actually making one length shorter than the other so that at least I won't have to cut both the curls. So far I've only actually used 2.5 bundles, and I'm not really sure I want to put any more hair on my head. So what I'm going to do is to just leave this hair overnight, see if any gaps appear, or as it settles to see where I want to add in a couple more curls, and then I'll give you my summary. So here I am, I'm back, not the following day, but actually 2 days later. It's given me an opportunity to see how this hair bears up as well over the course of the last 2 days. The first thing that I am impressed with in this hair is the fact that one pack is more than enough. More than enough. I am so impressed. I mean, look how full this hair is. It's beautiful. One thing I really like about it is the type of curl. It's bouncy, not springy bouncing, but it's got life. It's vibrant. I love the V-shaped form. I think that Zury really have the right formula with that 8, 9, 10 inches because you can get really nice shape without having to do lots of trimming and cutting. I've seen lots of videos with Jamaican bounce. I find that the Jamaican bounce is too curly for me. This is just the right type of size of curl for me, and I think in a black this would look absolutely gorgeous. I like the colour that I chose. I'm just saying there would also be nice in another colour. In terms of longevity, I think that this is very much a wear and go type style. I'm just doing it for this week. Just in the past 2 days, can you see that the hair is beginning to stick to each other? It's not tangling. So I can imagine that this will look a little bit rough after a few days wear. It only took about half an hour to install. The price is so reasonable. You are going to want to put it in, take it out, put it in, take it out, because it's going to be no fuss whatsoever. And it looks really good if this is your thing. Definitely my thing right now. If you have any questions about this hair, do ask me down below. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Ciao!